Welcome to the demonstration of JooMDD, an environment for the model-driven development of Joomla extensions. Joomla is a widely used web content management system, which can be used as a platform for dynamic web applications by experienced web designers and inexperienced users alike. Joomla brings his own user management, menu management, content management, and can be functionally extended by components and other extension types. In this demo we show how to create a conference management for Joomla, what is not part of the Joomla core. It must consist of views for the management of conference entities, like list views and detail views. Usually, a Joomla extension developer starts with creating the extension from scratch, which implies a certain effort. During the development he has to ensure a specific extension structure to enable the correct interaction of the Joomla core and the extension. This in turn requires a specific knowledge of the Joomla extensions API, what makes it hard for novices to create Joomla extensions without help. A model-driven approach targets these problems and solves them through the use of more abstract models, which are used as input for a subsequent software creation through code generators. Assumed that a generator of high quality is provided, a tremendous amount of standardized code can be generated without knowledge of the underlying technology. So, even novice developers are able to create high-quality software. We realized this approach for the development of Joomla extensions, which are the result of a code generation, and can be installed within each Joomla 3.x website. Let us define the requirements for a simple conference management. A conference has a name and a location and consists of participants, whereas a participant has a name, an affiliation, and a nationality. Conferences also provide talks, which have a title, a description, and a speaker, who is a participant. A conference also needs rooms for the talks, which are described through their name and location. To manage the talks, a conference consists of agenda items, which define the time and domain title for a talk, in a specific room. Using these requirements, we can develop the conference management extension model driven in one of the supported development environments, Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA. The conference model can be realized as an EJSL model, which consists of entities with attributes and references. In addition, an EJSL model can be used to describe index pages as list views of entities, or details pages for detailed views of entity objects. The last part of an EJSL model describes the structure of the intended Joomla extension. It can be seen as a wrapper, with extension metadata, language definitions, and references to pages, which take part in the component in form of views. Our conference model, which meets all the previously defined requirements, only consists of 220 lines of code. Saving the model file triggers the code generation automatically. The code generator creates a standardized Joomla structure to ensure the correct interaction between the extension and the Joomla core. In our case, the generator created 5,964 lines of code. So, we have a high reduction of development effort. The generated extension can now be installed on every existing Joomla-based website without writing any extension code by hand. The list views follow the Joomla standard and look like other Joomla core lists. And they have links to detail views, which uses the Joomla core functionality by following the platform standards. This illustrates the usefulness of the model-driven development of Joomla extensions. We presented an environment which can increase the extension development speed, and allows the extension development by inexperienced developers. JooMDD provides plugins to be used within Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. Thank you for watching.